Club Junta, building better Africa.
Namba plate motoka bweroliza mfuti pano pa office ya makemisi Wibex. Ali kuti mwina driver taba motoka. Utilizira mfuti.
Yo guys, violence has started in Zambia during results counting. While they are counting the results, and the police come there with a new vehicle, and they even change the number plate so that they mustn't even notice it that they are police, and they start shooting there anyhow. So we thought the elections are going smoothly, but what is happening in Zambia is same like MCP lifestyle. Shooting anyhow, and right now as I'm talking, they are suspending the counting results in Zambia. They are waiting, the police must come, then they will continue. So watch this and listen very carefully. While I'm here, Club Shinta, I'll be with you. I'll give you update whatever is happening in Zambia today.
Namba plate motoka bweroliza mfuti pano pa office ya makemisi Wibex. Ali kuti mwina driver taba motoka. Utilizira mfuti. Wacho sapo namba plate babisa iyi munyansi. Kuboliza mfuti pano. Tala kwa chancha tala kwa. Atiuze. Mtiuze na mfuti. Mkora uliza mfuti shua. Tala kwa chani. Tala kwa chancha tala. Takula kuilani chani chamene tala kwa. Mfuniko tuuza. Tikuna mtiuze chantala kwa. Tifuna chane talakwa. Tifuna chane talakwa. Muzwa tizaopa tumfuti twanu. Tikuzani. Ero tezo friko wapoka na mafia chumoto. Nikupusa. Kazini zani mamfuti. Riza, paya. Paya tuone. Kuliza na mafuti. Liza na enangu. Tifuna. Tipae. Tuone. Mwe bantu. Liza enangu. Waneba bantu kwanza tichosaku. Kakopa. Bonse. Kupusa. Nabi kuterela na imwe. Atase. Musiti derela kabeno vota lizani na enangu. Tifuna paipo umozi muntu. Tifuna paipo na muntu. Tifuna paipo muntu.
General aliku.
Ata. Bamwaba, tusani motoka. Imwe motoka.
Abulo kana imwe mzibera.
Tani kono michose. General aliku tani michose motoka. Tusani mamira so.
Tusani motoka.
Alikuti mweten kaskwera.
Tusani mkuta alikuti mai.
Ukupusa.
Club Junta, building better Africa.